Alright, so you ready? Oh my god. Alright, so we got 4 choices here. The 1-finger adjustment, the karate chop, slingshot, or the soul ripper. Which one you want?
The soul ripper.
Soul ripper! Oh, I'm gonna get closer to God. Soul ripper!
Oh my god, I'm scared now.
You better be. Alright, we're gonna grab you by the soul. It's hiding underneath all this hair. Alright, here we go. It's her soul right here, guys. C1 vertebrae. Right, I'm gonna lock that soul in, lock, and drop it to my hand.
Oh my god. Wow.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Did you
That
feel
was loud.
That was so loud. Did you feel that?
I did.
Oh my
I felt
god.
that.
Did you feel closer to God for a
I
second?
did.
Did you
That
knock
was
on the
so
pearl
loud.
gate?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Let's go on your stomach, facing down. Alright, so upper body, upper back here, stuck right, jammed right here, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Just be ready. Alright. So heels touching the glute, that's a good sign. That means the knee is good. Okay, we're gonna see her hip. Yeah, that was locked. Okay. Okay, we're gonna fix that. 1 at the hip. Tighten this up. 1 at the pelvis. 1 at the sacrum. Here we go.
Wow.
That's huge difference, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my god, okay. This one, the knee's not as good. Just a little bit of gap there. Oh, it's
Oh, that
even
was
worse.
worse.
That is worse.
Yeah, that was worse.
Yeah, for sure. 1, 2, bend this knee. Thank God. I was getting worried about her hip. Look at that. Nicely, the knee's good now because the heel's touching. Oh my god. There we go. Hold on, let me pull this up. There it is. Alright, turn it the other way. There we go. 1, 2. Oh, it's popping. There
Oh,
it
wow.
is. There's that. Yeah. We got everything. Good. Good. Let's go down to the legs. Okay, hold on. Instead of going this way, we want to, you know what I mean? So we're going to 1, just drop it. 2, that
I
was
felt
intense.
that.
Yeah. Where'd you feel that mainly?
Right
Hip.
here, but like down near.
And
the-
ankle too?
Mhm.
Yeah. So a lot of pressure these areas.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There it is.
Yeah.
Nice.
Felt it more in this one.
Yeah.
But this
that's
also
okay.
was
This
the
I
same
needed
one that was more
That was the bad
intense.
one, right?
Yeah.
Because we were just trying to lift it. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Grab your shoulders across your chest. Good. All right. Bring your head up towards me. It's all right. All right. Breathe in. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. One more. Good. All right. That's for your ribs. That's good. Come on up. Turn to the left. All the way. Yes, yes, and yes. Both hands behind your neck.
Like this.
Close your fingers into each other though.
Oh.
All right, here we go. Get in there. 1, 2. There it is. Hold up. Oh. How'd that feel? Arms down?
Good. That
That
felt
was amazing, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go back against the wall. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Good. Look at that. You haven't had a neck like this since you were like 4 to 5 years age.
Probably.
Step forward, bend down, touch your toes. Nice, nice. Coming up. All right, we're gonna have to make you more flexible than that. All right, go back up.
Yeah.
Up and yeah, good. It's getting much better. But the good news is, look how even you are now.
Right.
Okay. But we're gonna have to fix on this a little bit too.
Okay.
Okay, good. Done.
Thank
You did amazing. That was amazing.
Okay.
I'm telling you.